Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with my design team project for Decorate Your Life. And I'm using her Autumn Vibes digital kit, or printable kit as I call them. And I made a card cover, or a card topper, and a card. So what I did, I'm going to go one by one, and to follow you will see the process videos for these two. What I done is I took, let me see here, this page, which is all cut up, and I put it as the cover here on the main mat, and I cut a smaller mat here, and then, oops, I did the frame and the same pattern paper. Okay, let me cover this before there's an accident, and I don't want that. And then from the same kit, I cut these two here with the two flowers here. Okay, right here. Let me use this here. Okay, these two flowers were cut from the same kit, and then this was cut from the page that these flowers came on, and so was the pumpkin. Okay, and I took glossy accents and I went over the piece here, the wheel here, and the pumpkin, and that's all I did on this. Okay, this still has to dry. Then for my card cover, I'm going to call it, I took the same pattern paper and I put it doily down here, down at the bottom, and then on book paper, I put this piece on, and I put my frame and my bunny on that, okay? And then I recut them. I was going to put something in here, but I can't find anything small enough in the kit to put here. Same manner, I took half of the wheel here, and then I cut two more flowers and put it up here. And that's my card cover. So I thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do a premiere, or when I upload new content. And don't forget to visit the rest of the design team that's going to be listed down below in the description box. So, again, please be kind, be crafty, be blessed, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.